Today, I want to practice doing anatomy. And to do anatomy, I actually have to draw anatomy, and that's scary. I have lots of pencils, but we're not using pencils today, baby. So, I'm here for pain. It's what we're here for. We could choose which one we do first. Turns out I couldn't think of anything, but I've just put a poll up so we can talk about what we want to do first. We are tied. I'm impressed that we didn't end up with like a 4-way tie. I'm gonna roll a dice. We have 3 choices, so I'll go a d6. 5, which means ears. I'm gonna focus on just some of the ear shapes. No, oh my god, what have I done? I'm literally just gonna block out the shape and just go from there. We're all about improvement here. I'm gonna go with this curvy ear up the top here. It's kind of like that. And go from there. All right. So we have an ear. It's an ear shape. See, you can see. So ears have weird, like, I don't actually know what the words are for ears. Like, what the things are. There's that little flap, little ear flap that everyone has. I don't know what that's called. We should look up some terms. All right. This is going okay. So this one went out from, so like if the side of the head was here, this one went like out. The next one kind of goes up instead, and it's very rounded, but it doesn't like it's kind of like, it's got like a little like side bit. I guess like the cheekbone. They've got like this little bit, it's like a little forked tongue going on. So like, you go through here and go around, and that's like the ring around the ear. And then here, it has this like forked tongue business that goes on in the middle. So there's, you go down, a little Y shape here, and then another like tongue shape through the side. And then you have an ear with like a weird bit. I'm not too sure what's happened with this ear, but we've kind of lost where the earlobe is. So I don't know. It kind of just looks weird. But that's fine. We're learning. So these are all side-on ears, which is fine. Ooh, this one has a detached lobe. Anyone else do those when you were in school, where everyone was running around being like, what do your ears look like? Because there's like some people that have detached lobes and some that don't. Go around, you're gonna get that crescent shape. All right, there we go. And through here, little V bit. This one doesn't have a lot of shading on it, so I'm just gonna add it where I think it should be and go from there. Yeah, it's very exciting to be back though. I desperately needed the break. Didn't do anything. I do want to kind of break down a couple of these ears into like basic shapes though. So like with this one, it's got like this bit, and then if that goes to the top of that ear, do the little V at the top, and then do the little bit here. It's an ear still. Like it's a similar kind of ear. Probably needs to be more of like an oval and a circle. So like, I'm gonna try and do these like real fast. So it's kind of got like a circle shape and the circle. Ooh, is it? So this bit goes around and then they go into this little bit. Look at this ear. Ow. We did it! Look at those, lots of ears. I feel like you get more benefit out of practicing things if you only do a little bit, because then I can do more if I don't like overdo it with practicing. But what do you think we should work on now? I don't know.